Are you thinking about using TikTok for your tourism business but don't know where to start to create a video? Hi, I'm Pamela, and in this video I will show you how to easily set up a TikTok account and make a quick and effective TikTok video. Once you install TikTok on your mobile, simply open it and hit sign up. You can choose one of your social platforms to continue with or your phone or email. Select your birthday and make sure it shows that you're at least 18, otherwise some of the features will be restricted on TikTok. Enter your email and set a strong password. Now it's time to pick your TikTok handle. If possible, make sure it's consistent with your other social platforms so it's easy for your potential customers to find you. And there you go, your account is live. Let's make sure it reflects your brand. So start by adding a profile picture. You can use your logo for this. Add your bio to have a quick description of your business. You only have 80 characters here, so make sure to keep it nice and short. Make sure to include keywords that relate to your business and are likely to be searched. Once you have over 1,000 followers, you can also add a link to your website here. And there you go, you're ready to create your first TikTok. TikTok makes it super easy to create and edit a video all inside the app. Simply tap the plus button and everything you need will be here to create a great TikTok video. There are a couple of settings to look at before you can start recording or adding your video clips. You can use filters to change the colors or add a fun effect. Whether you use these or not completely depends on your style. If you're using things like filters or effects, make sure you use them consistently so that your TikTok page stays nicely on brand. This is also where you can add music or sounds. TikTok is great for this as it categorizes the music really well. You can add music or a sound that relates to your video or choose a song that's trending on the app to increase your chances of going viral. You can search any type of music theme and TikTok will give you loads of ideas and options. When a sound or a song is trending on TikTok, it typically means it's growing in popularity. Using a trending sound on your TikTok videos can help it reach more people. When you're scrolling through your TikTok home feed and hear a sound or a song you like, you can add it to your favorites so that you can use it later in one of your own videos. You'll find all of your saved sounds here. It's best if you add the music or audio clip you want to use before filming. This will help you to know when to react to something said in the audio or how long you need to film for. But you can always record it without music and add it later. Now you're ready to film. You can record up to 3 minutes of video within the app or else upload 10 minutes of video from your phone. But it's best to keep it short and to the point. This way your viewers are more likely to finish your video and TikTok prioritizes showing videos that have been fully watched. You can also add text on screen to explain in a few words what is happening in the video. This is great for people who are listening to your video on mute. Finally, you can add captions, hashtags, and choose a cover photo for your video. Captions are less important on TikTok compared to other social platforms, as TikTok hides most of your captions so that the video fills the screen. But it's still a good idea to have a caption to explain what's happening in the video and include a call to action, which is something you want the viewer to do after watching the video, like visiting your website. TikTok uses hashtags to categorize your video and show it to the right people. Best practice is to use at least 5, but you can use as many as relevant. To add a hashtag, simply start typing a word and pick a relevant option. The final step before you're ready to hit the post button is to select your cover image. You can move the toggle back and forth to find a section of the video that would be most appropriate as a cover photo. And now you're ready to post. In other videos, we will cover how you can go live on TikTok with your event and how to best use TikTok's trending sounds. I'll see you next time.
And don't forget, for more great tips, resources, and insights to further fuel your marketing success, be sure to visit our business support hub at vaultireland.ie.